Samsung has launched its new affordable 5G phone under M series in India called Galaxy M15. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy M15 5G features a tall 6.5-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate, and up to 800 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Galaxy M15 5G sports a triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with f2.2 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 13-megapixel camera under the U-shaped notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 with One UI 6 skin on top, and the company promises to provide up to 5 years of security updates and 4 years of OS upgrades. The device comes backed by a massive 6,000 mAh battery with 25 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 160.1 by 76.8 by 9.3mm, and it weighs around 217 grams. So now let's see the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy M15 5G has been priced in India for 4GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 6GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 14,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in blue topaz, celestial blue, and stone gray color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy M15 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.